Beautiful people, my name is Pat Eyaba, a lifestyle blogger based in FCT Abuja. So today's video we are going to talk about how you are going to fill your tax information into your Adsense account, and this video is for monetized YouTubers. If you receive a mail sometime last month or 2 months ago where YouTube said you have to put in your tax identification number, if not 24% tax will be deducted from your income. So we are going to go into the process, how I fill in my tax information and how I was approved immediately, like ASAP, like in 2 minutes. If this is a video you want to watch, please stick around.
I'm 6 on this unpredictable moves I'm on.
So this is the message I got, and it reads: submit your tax info in Adsense by May 31st, 2021. Otherwise, your channel might be subject to default tax rate of up to 24% of your total earning worldwide. You get into your Adsense account. You click on Manage Tax Info. Yes, you wait for it to boot and go to the next page. You click on Add Tax Info. You'll be asked to put in your Google email and your password. Your email and your password. Then you click on Next and you go to the next page. United States Tax Info. So to find the right tax info, please answer a few questions. First, the IRS United States require you answer. They ask you what type of account you're opening. Since as individual, you click on individual and you go to next. But if it's for company, you know what to click. But I'm clicking on individual because it's just me. Then another question will come: are you a citizen or resident of the United States of America? I'm not. I'm a citizen of Nigeria. Green, white, green. So you click on no and you click on next. And it takes you to the next question. Select W8 tax form type based on your previous selected answer. A W8 form is selected. So you read it very well. W8B form is commonly used by non-US citizens. So I'm a non-US citizen. What do you expect from me? I'm a non-US citizen, so I'm going to click on the first one and go to next, which will take me to the next page. You click on the first one and it takes you to the next page. Start W8 form. And the form is very easy to fill. Region, country. I'm from Nigeria, so the drop back menu will come. You look for your country. I'm from Nigeria. You go to N and you see Nigeria right there. You click on it. TIN number. So I'm just putting a number here. This is not my number. This is just an example. Then next, permanent resident address. Are you from Nigeria? Your first address, your second address, the suburb of where you're from, your city, and it takes you to another page. I'm from FCT Abuja. I live in FCT Abuja. You put your postal code, and that is it. You know, that's easy as ABC. Your mailing address should be the same thing as your resident. They're asking if you have a tax treaty with the United States. My country, Nigeria, does not have. Don't even bother going to select it. We don't. So just click no to just save yourself the headache. We don't have treaty. And you click on next, auntie. Just, you know what I'm saying now. And move on. So at this point, so you go through the document in the review page and make sure that everything you put there is correct, because once you click on the submit button, you cannot go back again. So this is this point where they bring everything. You just go through it and you click next. And voila, you're there. Then you click I confirm that I've reviewed the generated tax document to the best of my knowledge and I believe they are true, correct, and complete. And you click that and you click on next. Then you read though. You know that in Nigeria we don't like reading. We don't like reading. We just go and sign. Read though before you go and click what you don't know. You say if you want to hide something from an African person, put it in a book. But this is not a book, so just read it. It will just take you like 2 to 5 minutes. If you're a slow reader or you're a fast reader, then you're done. Then you put in your full name. Yes, I am the person listing the signature, or if somebody is putting it on your behalf, then you click on next. read this one. Me, I don't even know what they are saying, but anyway, just read it and just, I don't know, Google is your answer, and just, you know, approve in less than a minute.
I hope the video is very informative. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and please come back. Don't forget to comment and share to your friends. My name is Pat Eyaba. I'm a lifestyle blogger based in FCT Abuja. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay safe. Bye bye.